Company financial statements. And now this is the time to do some practice of the concepts that we learned in our earlier modules about this company financial statement. So please be attentive. We will discuss a scenario, a practice question in 2 modules. Okay. In this module, we will be discussing to prepare the statement of profit loss and other comprehensive income. Okay. So your attentions are required. Please see that this is a question, practice question with you, in which we have a trial balance. So we are very much familiar with the trial balance. It is not something new for us. Okay. Both sides are equal. Well, so share capital is owner's equity item. Remember one thing, that we have to mark ILO, okay? Asset, expenses, income, liability, and owner's equity item. So you have to mark it over here that this is share capital, which is owner's equity item. Then this is share premium, also owner's equity item appearing in the credit side. Revaluation reserves, okay? It is to be presented in the statement of changes in equity. So in a way, equity item, but it will be coming through OCI, okay? And retained earnings, again, owner's equity item. Well, land and building at its carrying value, plant and machinery at its carrying value. It is obviously asset, property, plant and equipment. Inventory on opening date, which is 1st Jan 2000X9, 120. It will be taken to cost of goods sold. We know it very well. Sales revenue is there. It is income. Purchases, yes, it's expense. Administrative expenses, marketing expenses, financial expenses, these all are the expenses, okay? Trade receivables are the assets. Cash at bank or cash balance with us. This is our asset. And trade payable is our liability, okay? So both sides of trial balance are giving equal amount. Trial is tally. Let's see some more information on it. Inventory on closing date is 235,000 and create provision for tax expenses for the year, that is 62,000. The revaluation reserve relates to land that was revalued during the year. Very well. So this revaluation we will be dealing in OCI. We have to prepare statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income. All right, so let's see how we will work out all this statement of profit loss and other comprehensive income. One thing that you should do, that is something very important. Let me tell you over here that, and this is in fact rupees in 1000, okay? Rupees in 1000. All right, all these are rupees in 1000 with you, and this is already with us in 1000. Okay, that's very fine. And when we are preparing this, it is also in 1000. So this is something important. All right, very well. So what we see that in our income statement, we have sales with us. Sales figure we took from this trial balance. Sales revenues 925. Okay, so this is over here. Then comes cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold figure is comprising of opening stock we took from trial balance, and purchases we took from trial balance, and this closing inventory we took from this adjustment, which is 235,000. Okay, and just see it is 235,000. Okay, so this is it, and we have cost of goods sold with us, and this is the amount of gross profit. All right, very well. Then comes operating expenses, administrative expense, and selling expense. We are taking this from the trial balance, administrative, marketing and selling expense. Very well. And then comes profit from operations figure. Other income is 0 over here. Financial expenses 42,000 we took from here, 42,000. Okay, well, and then what comes? Profit before tax, and this 62,000 is the income tax expense. Okay, well, so profit after tax is 157,000. All right, so this is the presentation in which like we have to take care of the classification thing. Okay, next comes our statement of other comprehensive income. This 157, this one will be taken from here and will be placed over here in statement of other comprehensive income. Okay, we are preparing statement of other comprehensive income now. Well, so bifurcate into two items which will not be reclassified to income statement and items which may be reclassified to the income. So we have only one item. What is that? That is revaluation reserve of property, plant and equipment. So that revaluation that was done in the current year will be taken over here. Okay, this is unrealized gain and this was the realized gains or net profit. So total comes to 283. Okay, and this 283 will become part of our owner's equity. All right. Well, so this was all about our income statement, or in our way statement of profit loss and other comprehensive income. Well, let's see the important tips to remember in this module, which is only one. Okay, and that is that we have to take special care of the presentation and classification of the items of statement of profit loss and other comprehensive income, because it is not allowed by the International Financial Reporting Standards to change classification. All right, so take special care of classification and presentation thing. Thank you.